Sit! Surrender! Yeah, push down there. Hey, right in front of you. Take him out. One on my 12. Yeah, I saw him. Called him.
I'll get you eventually, you fucker.
I've got him.
I got one of them. Just sprint.
White team moving across the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's in!
He's hit. He's hit. Which one? Over there. Here. Look, 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 look. Right in front of us. Here, fall back, fall back. Move, move.
Moving.
Go, go, go. Moving. Go, 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 Glenn. Go. Got you covered. There's another one behind that big tree. Yeah, don't shrug it. Thank you. On my 12, yeah, I see him. Got him. You kidding? Did he just... Oh, he did call.
About 1 o'clock, just to my, literally where my gun's pointing is behind the tree.
Alright, he's out of my field of vision. There's someone medicing this guy over here.
There we go.
I've got him. There we go. He's down. One for the bush. Good call. Well, you haven't got any BBs?
No, they were black and all that.
Here you go. 2 5s. So once you're reloaded, throw them back over. Yeah, I hit you loads. Better? Yes?
You mad, bro?
Yes.
You mad?
Off you. What's the wrong with you?